Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create Exness real accounts and deposit. So first thing that you want to do is you need to go to your web browser and you're going to search up Exness. So here is the link, trade online with a leading trading broker. So we're going to click on that link. Now at the top right, you are going to select register. You will then select your country/region of residence. Now in this section, you are going to enter your email address and then you go to make up a password. It needs to be between 8 to 15 characters, at least one upper and one lowercase letter and at least one number and at least one special character. And then you go to make sure that you have this checkbox clicked and then you're going to click on continue. Now, if you're not a US citizen, you are going to select this option here. I declare and confirm that I'm not a citizen or resident of the US for tax purposes. And then you're going to click on create. Now you have two options. It says choose trading account, demo and real. So 10,000 virtual money, full access to the terminal and no withdrawals. And we can choose the real one, real money, full access to the terminal, instant automated withdrawals. So we are going to select real account. Now in order for us to put our first deposit, we need to complete our profile. So you're going to go to the right side here and then click on complete profile. Now it says verification steps. This process takes less than 5 minutes. So we can confirm with our email address and then we're going to confirm with our phone number. Then number 3, add profile information. So we are going to choose confirm phone. Now it says enter your phone number. So you're going to enter your phone number and then choose your country code. And then you're going to click on continue. Now, since I've verified my phone number, I'm going to click on complete now. And then you're going to enter your first name, last name, date of birth, your resident address, and then your gender, and then you're going to click on continue. Once you're done, it'll say, what is the purpose of opening your account? So you can either choose investment, hedging, or speculation. I'm going to select investment. Now it says, please select your source of income and wealth. I will choose savings. Then click on continue. What is your occupation? Education? Scroll down and then click on continue. Please select your total wealth, including cash and bank account balances. I'm going to choose $100,000 to $200,000. What is your employment status? Employed, full-time. What is your yearly income after taxes? Let's say $100,000. What is your CFD trading experience with a real money trading account during the last 3 years? 40 to 100 trades. How much time do you spend on market analysis, reading news, and trading per week? 4 to 12 hours. What is the anticipated monthly income you're prepared to invest with Exness? I'm going to invest more than 50% of my monthly income. What are your plans on trading within 1 year? Become a full-time professional trader. What trading instruments do you plan to use? Metals, gold, silver, etc. How did you know about Exness for the first time? I'm going to say TV and click on submit. Now it says contact details verified. The next step is to verify your identity. Please prepare your documents. And then you can just click on verify identity now. So then it'll say document verification. And all you need to do is you need to upload a PDF or an image of your ID. And then you're going to submit it. And then once you're done, you'll be able to deposit money into your account. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful for you.